Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change the color of part of an image in Photoshop. Let's begin. Open image, then open any image. You can choose any select options, quick selection tool or magic wand tool as you wish. I select simply example this rectangle marquee tool, then click on click this icon, then select this, click this icon whose situations lock and drag on your mouse. Now see this change the color. Hold Ctrl, right click, convert to smart object again, rasterize. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.